So guys, to fix this error code, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Proxy, and disable all the enabled proxy from here. Same for the VPN, disable all VPN from here. After that, go to Status and click on Change Adapter options. Double click on Active Wi-Fi, Properties, Internet Protocol version 4, and change the DNS server to 8888 and 8844. Click OK, OK, and close everything. Now copy this code from video description box, but before that, make sure your file extensions are visible. If not, open File Explorer, View tab, and check the file name extension. That's it. Now create new text document on your desktop. Paste all the code here and save as finddns.batch file. Now right click on fixdns.batch file and run as administrator. It will now fix the DNS error automatically. Once it's done, restart your PC and your problem should be fixed now.